Today I show you how to use a whole bell pepper. And I know there are a lot of techniques out there, but I cut a lot of bell peppers, a lot of vegetables, and to me, this is the easiest way to clean and cut a bell pepper without getting seeds everywhere. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's get into it and cut a bell pepper. Okay, there's my beautiful Vosteed Stallion from Vosteed Cutlery. Go to Amazon and pick it up for $29, I think, right now. Beautiful Japanese knife, Japanese steel, super light. I use it every day. So we're going to take this bell pepper, and what I usually do is I start with the top, and I slice the top off. So we don't throw that away. You can use that top for a lot of things. And I'm just gonna take this top. Right here, I'm just gonna, like a rough julienne. My knife was a little bit dull on this bell pepper, but I definitely did sharpen it up for the next two. But you could do anything with that top. Dice, slice, mince, and same with the bottom. So I take the top and the bottom off first, and then you pretty much can do whatever you want with those as far as cooking or cutting, but we don't throw those away. Now, I slice it down the side, and I'm going to kind of sneak my knife in there, and I'm going to disconnect the seed, or the membrane, which is the white part, from the meat. And I'm just going to roll that knife all the way down. And that's the easiest way I found to clean a bell pepper. No seeds, no mess. You don't have 1,000 seeds all over your counter, right? You'll find them 5 days later, and I'm just taking the white membrane off. You don't have to. It's just a habit of mine. And then I'm going to section this bell pepper. So to me, the tomato and the bell pepper, anything with the solid skin, is just really hard to deal with. So I like to cut it into little pieces. So like I said, my knife was dull here, but I'm just going to julienne this. And then, of course, you could dice it after you julienne it. But this is the easiest way to do it, I feel. Maybe not. Comment below if you have a better technique. But I cut a lot, so I feel like, it is what it is. But hopefully this helps you and cutting bell peppers. So here's a little trick I do. I like to stand these up and slice them like this, and sometimes it's easy to slice them like this. So enjoy the little tip. And there you have it. Thank you for watching my videos. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video from me. I hope this helps you. I just like teaching the small, tedious things, so have a great day.